Hey, I want you to pay attention to this. This is important. Whenever you want to start a new project, any kind of project that is um, coding for programming, developing, anything else, because you want to use vibe coding, no code tools, anything like that, because that you are alone, maybe you have no team and you need some kind of clarity for your projects. You need a clear path, some kind of a plan, roadmap, if you say, for not just for you, even for your AI to know what is next plan for your project to be developed. So let's say you are looking for an idea to create a project. Okay, let's say I'm creating something new here. Uh, Maximize the window. So let's say I want to create uh, a new project that is about searching SEO data from YouTube. Maybe I want to create a project that helps other videos to go viral. So, but I don't know how to help other videos to go viral. Maybe I'm just any kind of video might be. It doesn't matter. But I just want to use SEO and thumbnails to help other videos to go viral. So, but you don't know how to make any video go viral. You're starting from ground zero, no knowledge, no nothing, but you wanted to create something. So you need to get educated. Okay. In this purpose, you have a lot of tools. Some of them are real free, and you can use it. You can use Perplexity, just like this I am using right now, or let's already in Iran, so I need to turn on my VPN. So let's see if this is working. Okay, this one is working. Let's say I am going to learn google.com/experiment sign up. Let's see. Okay, this is coming up. Go to learn about, and this is the page. You go into this link, learning.google.com/experience, and in this way, you can educate yourself and learn about some services that you want to create. Let's say you, as I said, you want to learn some SEO and you want to make YouTube videos go viral. Let's say you're going to do it like that. So let's learn about SEO and YouTube SEO and how to make any video and social media post. So and video in YouTube go viral. Okay. This is going to be a great tool for you to understand the concept of the project you wanted to learn because you have to educate yourself. You cannot just give everything to AI and build it for you. You need to have some understanding for yourself to guide the AI to how to make any videos and make any project for yourself. If you do not educate yourself, you're clearly gonna stuck and you don't know what's next for you. Okay, so you really need to educate yourself. So let's see, to make any video go viral on YouTube using SEO, you need to optimize the various elements of your video channels. SEO and search optimization is the practical improving and promoting a website. Okay, making video go viral. Okay. Keyword research. Keyword research for YouTube is process of identifying specific words and phrases that people are typing into the YouTube search bar. So this is good. This is actually good. Identifying relevant topics. Defining the topics, optimize your video use, the keywords, their description, and tags to improve their visibility, understanding search volume and competition, accessing how popular keyword is and how many other videos are targeted the same keyword. So this is it, okay? And stop and think now. We don't need that. Video optimization. Because this is the tool, our tool is actually need to do keyword research, video optimization, engaging, audience retention, and promotion. So this is what we need to do for our tool to have these kind of capabilities. Okay. So let's say video optimization. Here's our the deeper look, crafting. Okay. Okay. I'm going to deeper look to all of it later on. I'm going to do engagement. So here we go. Audience retention. Okay. And promotion. Okay. Yeah. I'm already creating this tool. And because a lot of things that YouTube are changing, and it's going to help a lot of people. And I want to create a free tool for us to see how easy it is to do any kind of projects. Okay, so let's do go with okay viral, and we go to keyword research. Okay, Google Trends and keyword tools. So we can use Google Trends. Okay, all of them are. Anything else except Google Trends are paid tools. So we're gonna start with Google Trends. Say let's go deeper with Google Trends. Okay. Okay, identifying trending topics. You can see the Google Learning is actually perfect for this. Okay. So I'm going to stop this right here because it's going to get deeper and deeper and deeper, as you can all saw. But you need to have some kind of a knowledge for yourself that how does any other tools are working. Okay, let's just say like that. Okay, and just control. I'm just going to select all of them and Control C. And after that, you just go to NotebookLM. Okay. Why don't we start with NotebookLM right now? Because already built in the NotebookLM already have some built-in research. Okay. But let's say you accepting a freelancing project. Let's say you are given a job and you wanted to build a project for some kind of businesses. Okay. Maybe in that project, you just recording their videos or recording their audios of that session that you have, and you're explaining what project they want. So the best tool to have to just summarize and give you the concept of everything that you have is NotebookLM. Okay, you can upload your text, you can give it a link, or just connect to the Google Drive, or just upload the audio, video, pictures, anything. Okay, you can do all of that with this project. So I already gave this some. I want to give it some context to help me how to build a project. Okay. I want to give it. I want to build this project using AI vibe coding tool, and just create inserts. Okay, so the text. Okay, right now it gives us some summarization. This text is served as a comprehensive guide to achieving YouTube success through strategy, integration, search and find tools, detail necessary of the true key research, and we're gonna copy all of that if this is not someone else's project. If this is our project, I want to create from scratch. This is what I would do. I'm going to copy all this summarization and turn this fast research into deep research, and we keep it in the web, and we just hit this enter and come up with some complete research for us. Okay, so we let it happen. The question actually is for us is how do we use NotebookLM and all this data that we need and how to give it to another vibe coding to give us the best prompt, the best roadmap for AI to follow. So we need actually two things. Okay, let's go with the new learning path. We're going to give it, we're going to need two files that we created inside the vibe coding. So let's uh, learn about PRD or program. Okay. A PRD is a product requirement document. For programming, is a document that defines the purpose, features, functionality, and behavior of a software product from the user perspective. It served as a central guide for the development team and stakeholders, outlining what needs to be built and why, without typically specifically how it should be built. Okay, so the PRD has been around for a long time. Okay, it's a document. It's like a guidebook. It's like a manual book for us. Like you get a product using a manual to how to use that product. Okay, and the PRD is describing what this application, project, software should be like, and what should the function looks like. Okay, this is what PRD is. Okay, and we're gonna give this PRD to the AI. Okay, and after that, we're gonna have a complete detailed roadmap to how to make this project work or how to build it actually. Okay, so right now it's already in the third steps, so still have some long way to go, but after that I'm going to use, okay, now it's analyzing the result. So let's see what it can come up with. All right, it is completed. Let's see top 40 sources. See what kind of sources I come up with. So all of them are mostly YouTube videos, and little of them are just blog posts. So let's import all of them. Don't look actually good, not bad. Okay, some of them are didn't actually import it. I don't know why. Maybe they have some paywall. Maybe that's why. So right now, all of them are selected, and you can say I want to build this project using, let's say, Python, Selenium. Most of you might know Python. It's a program language, but Selenium project, it's like a browser which is running by code. It's not using any visual for any other user to see, which is called a headless browser. So let's see it right now for you to understand. Selenium, Python. Let's go with this. Yeah, Selenium paywall. This is the project. going to use. Selenium. Okay. So already been updated. Selenium.dev. Here it goes. This is the main website and their projects in the GitHub. Here we go. Okay. Selenium automates browsers. That's it. So straight go to the point, and that's what they say. What you do with this power is entirely up to you. Primarily, it is for automating web applications for testing purposes, but it's certainly not limited to just that. Running web-based administration tasks can be should also be automated as well. So let's say you use API to connect to another service. Let's say OpenAI, let's say ChatGPT, okay? To use ChatGPT inside of your app. Let's say you don't need an API for that. You use Selenium that automatically go to the ChatGPT. And we not go to ChatGPT mostly. Let's go to LM Arena. Arena, which is have all of the applications, all of the AIs in it, mostly free and unlimited. Not really unlimited, but with unlimited based on your account. Okay. And Selenium, go to this website and use it as a hub for us to chat with the AI and scrape all of the data for us inside our application. So you don't need actually API for it. Selenium in this kind of projects is an alternative for API. So we have a lot of uses that we can do with Selenium. Okay. Let's go back with this, and we already give this prompt. Selenium, create a complete PRD for this project to be built. Here we go. Okay, PRD, YouTube algorithm growth engine. The goal is this project is to be built automated tool assistant creator to cracking the 2025 YouTube algorithms. Let's go down, headless mode, and analogy of okay. Automated success. Selenium task log into the YouTube studio, scrape retention graph, and identify specific drop-off points where viewers have lost interest, and all of it. So, ensure all metadata, 25 standards title under 30 Selenium task. Okay, here we go. And great, right there, complete, detailed roadmap of how another AI to build this project. Okay. So right now, give us a complete roadmap. This is going to be perfect for us. Here we go. Now, what should we do right now? Now we all have our PRD and we have our roadmap. So we're gonna minimize it. Gonna go to Antigravity. Some of you might have some issues with signing into the Antigravity. If you want some resolution for it, let me know. I maybe created another video for it for you to fix it. But if you don't want to use it, we already have Tria and TriaCN for Chinese purposes actually. Because in some of the countries we cannot access the Chinese servers, and I already have it because actually by chance, and I never had any other way to use it. So you can use RAP, you can use Zeed, Coder. It's not actually free anymore, but Windsurf is free. Cursor is free trial. You can use all of it, but Antigravity is actually for me is a better choice for now. So let's create a new project and go to documents, and let's create a new folder. Let's say YouTube test. Select folder. Okay, I created a new file. It's called prd.md, and let's create another file called roadmap.md. So let's go back. Here we go. Copy this. Go back to the PRD, and copy this one, and we are done. Here we go. Save this. Let's preview it. So PRD is a user experience, how to project should be work, and the roadmap is how an AI can follow the steps and how to build and what to build later, and the next steps, the step-by-step plan. Okay, so I'll give this in here and tag it, and let's use, I don't know, yeah, just close on it for just simple step to see how to work. And let's build this project. And here we go. This is how I do, this is what my steps are to build a project. This is what my beginning is look like. Okay, so my projects. I begin with this idea, or maybe other people's description of what they want, and I use AI to give it a clean roadmap and a PRD. I need these two. After that, I'm going to be satisfied. Let's say like that. That AI can do what it needs to be done. So I'm give it a complete roadmap, and after that, it creates itself a complete plan to what to do next. So this is what I do. I hope this video encourage you to do this like that. And if you have a better way, just let me know in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great time, everybody. Bye-bye.